question about benefiting from Avodah Zara and Heretic. If one has a product which is aimed to benefit a specific group of people who have disabilities, is one allowed to get in contact with priests, pastors, or Muslim leaders to advertise this product to members of their community, or would this be forbidden?
I don't think it is forbidden because it's not the person is not selling them Avodah Zara. He or she just doing business with them. But is it advisable to call the Muslims? So if they offer you're Jew, you're my holy Jew brother, we have one Father in heaven. So I'm just waiting for the Christians. But I believe in Yoshka. So I mean, but as a Jew, you put yourself in that situation. You understand that it's only a matter of time when they try to missionize you. You understand? So it's like technically there is no problem whatsoever. You're not selling them crosses or I don't know some whatever, right? There's things for idol worshiping, but it's not good idea. Let's put it this way.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.